Good evening, boss.
Please don't call me that. Consider me a colleague. So, tell me something. How do you like working for Stranger?
No, I didn't come up here to talk to you about no Stranger.
Really?
I came up here to talk about us. This is my Mac Daddy vibe I'm giving you in all of its splendor. So, tell me, baby, what's up?
Oh, really?
Really? Eleganza Man of the Month? What's up?
Well, let me see. I gotta check it out.
So, you're looking at me in all of my splendor. So what's going on?
Well, let me get this straight so there's no misunderstanding. You know, I don't date men I work with.
Really? Well then, I quit.
No, you can't. I need you. Well, come here. You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Really?
Really, what you did was very seductive.
What?
You know what you did. Stop.
I didn't do anything.
Stop. It was very seductive what you did.
I just tried to take an eyelash out your eye.
Stop. I was a kid once, okay? My mom came up to me and I had something in my eye and she blew. And my eyeball popped out. But what you did was so seductive. You know that was seductive. You tried to seduce me on a sneak tip.
No, 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 no. Let's get something straight. When I seduce you, if I decide to seduce you, don't worry. You'll know.
Hope it's soon.